Do you want to learn how to get to the Outland as an Alliance or even as a Horde character? Well, do not worry, because I will show you in this WoW Classic tutorial for both factions, for Alliance and Hordes, how to get to the Outland, and that doesn't cost any money. No, doesn't cost anything. Do not worry if you are playing another expansion like Cataclysm or Mists of Pandaria or however, because these zones are not changed. The portal to the Blaster Lands can be found in a different location in Ogrimmar and Stormwind. So that being said, first I will show you with my Alliance character how to get to Northrend, and at the middle of the video I will show you also how to get to the Outland as a Horde. Oh man, what is with this rainy day? That's not sad. I can't understand people who complain about being rainy, about the rain weather, that is sad. No man, rain is so relaxing. You have no idea how relaxing rain can be, especially when you put some music and you grab a cup of coffee, and that will make your day. We are located right now in Eastern Kingdoms, in Alliance Forest and in Stormwind at the Mage Quarter right here. Here inside you can locate the portal to the Blessed Lands. You can click on that once you are level 58. If you are lower than 58, you may not click it, or maybe you can't be teleported here. Maybe you will be teleported somewhere else. I don't know. So just don't click on that portal if you are not level at least 58. And also be careful here, because oh man, sometimes this zone, as you can see, is controlled by the Hordes, sometimes it's controlled by the Alliance. You don't know which faction is controlling this, and yeah, they want to fight always, so be careful. Just step into this portal, and once you step inside here, you'll be safe, because you can be attacked right here at the Stair of Destiny. We are located at the Dark Portal. Before you are leaving this zone with your Alliance character, make sure you speak with this guy, with the Flight Master. This is the guy, yes, because here is the starting point, the leveling zone at the Honor Hold, and next time you want to take the taxi, so you can learn also the location of this Flight Master, so the next time you don't have to walk all that distance to the Honor Hold, which is located right here. Beautiful, we just arrived in Honor Hold. Where is the Flight Master? This is the Flight Master. Speak with this lady so you learn the location. Now, as we arrive in Honor Hold right here, where you will have to do your first quest in Outland, let's move to my Horde character so I can show you how to get here also with the Horde one. Okay, and we are located in the old Ogrimmar in Kalimdor, in Durotar, in Ogrimmar to be more specific, and this is old Ogrimmar, man, old feelings. I mean, I used to play this game a lot in my childhood. I used to spend inside like between 6 to 8 hours inside this game. Yeah, I can remember exactly. I was a kid at that time. Here you can locate the portal to the Blessed Lands, to the Outland in Ogrimmar. Let me show you on the map where we are right now. So this is Ogrimmar in the Valley of Spirits. Right here you can locate the portal to the Blessed Lands. Let's click on it, and I should be safe, because when I arrived here with my other character in this zone, there was thrown by the Hordes, and yeah, I can't see them right now, but I should be safe. So just jump into this portal, but with your Horde character. Let's see, on the right side you will find the Flight Master for the Hordes. Let's speak with that guy and get ourselves a taxi, a nice taxi to our zone. So this is the one. Speak with her and just walk to here so you can get to know the other Flight Master, so the next time you don't have to walk by foot and can take a Wind Rider. This is the guy with who you have to speak to get to know this point also. And here you'll find all sorts of quests. If I will select low level quests, I can locate already on the map tons of quests which you can do to level up. And there, the citadel I'm looking at is the Honor Hold, where I was with my Alliance character. That being said, that was the guide in WoW Classic, in Wrath of the Lich King, in World of Warcraft, how to get to the Outland for both factions. factions, Alliance and the Horde. I really hope you have enjoyed and I helped you with this tutorial. Don't forget to smash up the like button and leave any comments in the comment section if you have any questions.